Hi, welcome to Grandpa's World. I'm Ashlyn.
I'm Laura.
And we have an easy setup badminton net.
And we've already taken the birds and the rackets out. And it says set up in 5 minutes down here.
It says just set up in minutes, but it's demonstrating 5.
Yeah, it's demonstrating 5.
So we're going to set up a timer for 5 minutes and see if it actually takes that little amount of time.
We got this on sale at Walmart, so yeah. Let's see how good this will be. Here's the net. Also, it's supposed to be 15 feet wide and 5 feet tall. There's the net. Here's the pump for the volleyball, because it's also a volleyball set. Here's the actual volleyball. Oh, God. That was probably wrong.
My foot!
Okay, wait before you start anything. Oh, God, we need scissors. They're zip ties. But
stop. Before we start anything, I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, and then I'm going to get up and get scissors. Oh, here's the carry bag, so I'm just going to toss that to the side. Okay, she went and got some scissors to cut all the zip ties. Don't start yet.
Don't run with scissors, kids.
Okay.
It's dangerous.
I'm going to start the timer in 3. Ask your parents for help.
2, 1, started.
And we're going to do the start to finish on the timer because why not?
And it has pictures to set it up.
So we're not using instructions because, I mean, who needs instructions?
Why did they need to zip tie that? Oh, it's 2 pieces?
Yeah, it's 2 pieces. I'm going to set my zip ties there. I think that's the base. Okay. Don't read the instructions. Oh, I need this. What? There's numbers. What? There's numbers on the pole. Oops.
Really?
There are numbers?
Yes. Okay, hold on. There's supposed to be 2 of these.
Yeah. There's 2 of these.
Yeah. And then there should be 4 of these.
Yes. Hold on.
And then
One of those should have numbers. Yeah. Wait, here's one that doesn't have numbers, so there should be another one that doesn't have numbers.
No, this one had numbers.
Oh, yeah, but like, okay. So there's 4 of those?
Yes. Okay.
What's this piece for? You just yeeted the net. Okay, so.
Okay. We have those aligned now.
Okay, so these.
We need number 1.
What's number 1? That.
These.
Those.
Oh God, what is that?
What is this?
I don't know. Okay, I think I
This
get
is gonna
it.
take longer than 5 minutes.
No, it won't.
Does it set like this? Does it set like this? I think it sets like this.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Read the instructions.
It says repeat for both base sets, and then it just shows pictures.
Are you serious?
I'm
Oh, wait.
serious. Ooh, I think I figured it out. Yeah, that's what I thought a minute ago. Then my dreams are crushed. Okay, wait, hold on.
Maybe I'm putting it on.
Wait! It looks like it shows the picture that's supposed to go like this. Wait.
Found it.
You did? Yes, because I'm actually reading instructions.
What?
It didn't fit.
What? No, it doesn't. Still looking at the pictures.
Tight?
Ooh.
Oh. I did it. Ow!
Clipped it.
I hurt my hand really
Okay.
bad.
Wait, I can't.
Ooh,
Next page.
got it.
It's a piece. So it's like, oh yes, it's like this.
Give me a piece.
Ah, what are you doing? Does it?
Hold on.
It's like this. Does it not? Oh.
No. Okay.
So what are we doing?
I'm doing this.
I really hurt my hand. Is that how it's supposed to go? Where's the other pieces?
What?
Are there no other pieces?
No, this is the bottom.
Okay.
And then, ow. Oops, sorry. And then it goes like,
Yes. Nope. Stick the.
goes like this.
I don't think that's.
Yes, it goes like this. Look. See? Is it taller? ones like that.
Oh, okay. It does go like this. I guess our timer's up.
What?
Okay, we're starting this again. Another 5 minutes?
Yes.
Okay, there's a clip. There are clips in this.
Where'd they go?
I think I said
They're up here.
Don't set things up here. Okay, so we're done with 4. We're on to 5. There's clips.
These are the clips.
Give me one. Please. Come on, it's just a rubber band. I got a clip. No.
No, please don't.
Do anything to you. Okay, I'll do the out 3. I'll do the outside. Hey, I said I'm doing the outside.
Sorry. Make sure it's straight.
Okay, clip this, clip this. Boop, 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 boop. I have it straightened. Okay, you need to move.
I can't.
Oh, hold on.
I don't think this is supposed to do that.
What? Oh,
That.
how is it supposed to clip into this?
I don't know.
Stretch.
Hold on.
That's not working.
Right, so. Yeah, is one of your sides not sewn?
Yeah, one of my sides is not sewn. So.
They're both supposed to be. Shows that they are.
Mm-hmm. And
Just.
yeah. Okay.
They're supposed to
These things aren't even. Oh, what's the point of these anyway?
to hold it all together, duh.
I don't think there's actually a point to this.
Wait! Got it! Okay, give it here. Hold on.
No, I got it.
Just have to straighten this rope out again.
This is not gonna work. Well.
Okay,
Ow.
maybe we should like.
I got it.
Hey, good job!
Those things are tight. I'm gonna set that out there for now. Now what are we doing?
Okay,
What are we doing?
what?
What do we do now?
That. So we need 2 of these, 1 of these, and 1 of these. And then
You get the others.
I do.
Build something.
Build what?
What am I?
Something.
What is?
Oh, you also will need this.
What does that go on?
It goes in between the number 1 thing.
I'm confused.
And this.
Let's get building. Let's get crafty.
Ooh.
Ha ha.
Does it go on the outside or inside?
I did it.
How?
What, with the clamp?
I didn't do anything with it.
You were supposed to.
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know. I'm building.
Hold on.
Back off.
Ah.
You're ruining my creativity.
I know what I'm supposed to do now.
Okay, well, this is clear the end because it doesn't have a hole at the end. So where are we supposed to put the clip? Which one?
On the one with the numbers.
Oh wait, what? Why?
Because look down here, you can see the little clip.
Wait, the ones with the numbers goes in the middle? Sorry.
There's 4.
Oh, I'm a mess.
This is taking a long time.
Does not set up in minutes.
So why does it need to go there?
I don't understand this.
stuff.
I think this is going to be longer than 15 feet.
Probably.
Okay, this is bigger than we thought it was going to be, so we had to move outside. So.
Yes.
And we only have a few more things to do. Oh, wait. Let me continue the timer before you start. Okay, timer's going for the third time. Ha ha! I did it! Oh god, that's really low.
Maybe the net will hold it up more?
Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to hang down that low.
It is, because the net holds it up.
And it's
supposed to be like bent, remember?
Help me, this is heavy.
Okay, hold on. Don't leave it. Don't pull it out that far. Is it? Yes.
That's longer than 15 feet.
Okay,
Net.
I was like, how about you look at the instructions?
Nope, net. Look. Net. The net's very long.
Okay.
Here. I'll just... Okay, I'm just gonna stick it on my half real quick.
Okay, wait. Make sure it's facing the right way. You need to flip it.
We've decided to just try this instead. Let's see if this works. Here, let me go hold up this side. Whoop. Whoop.
Ah.
Trying. This is very difficult. I'm trying to lift my... Whoa. Whoa, this side's bending.
Sorry, I have to.
Okay, it's scary. Bell and... I don't know. Bye.